Hi, guys, here one of the carrier fan coil unit. Do chemical clean. First off the power supply and then open the power panel cover. Take off the wire like slime, neutral, earth and communication wire. After that open the PVC casing cover. Inside the casing open the suction and discharge copper pipe insulation and copper pipe flaring nut. Open with 2 numbers of adjustable spanner. Open the flaring nut slowly, check inside any gas have or not. Dismantle the fan coil unit and slowly and carefully bring down the FCU unit. Sometime can drop the fan coil unit. And then front side all screw open. Take out the front cover of the fan coil unit. After that open all the screw with screwdriver, like the coil side, electrical panel side. Take out the thermistor from the coil, earth wire take separate. Carefully open the drain pan, separate from the fan coil unit. Drain pan downside some more screw open, because of tighten the electrical panel door. After that screw open take out electrical panel, separate the motor terminal wire, put one side not affect with water. After that open the 3 number of coil screw front and back of the FCU and slowly and steady take the coil from FCU. Now show you blower is very dirty and choked. And then open the blower screw with L angle key. Sometimes screw became tight. So carefully open the screw and other side of the blower open and take rubber bush, put key one side. After that open the motor screw open, take the motor other side. After that water wash the coil holding bracket cover with detergent powder and clean with cloth. And wash bracket with water until dirty go out. And then wash the blower with water and put some chemical to clear all dirty from blower. Hardly water wash all part of blower. See how the blower very dirty. Because long time no do proper service. And then clean the drain pan with some detergent powder after wash with water. Same like water wash the front cover of FCU and FCU filter. And then 2 pipe cover with tape, because water no go inside. First water, wash all area of coil. Now, all area of the coil flush it with chemical to penetrate and lose stubborn accumulated dust that inhibits the coil. Let the chemical stay in the coil for about 5 to 10 minutes and wash the evaporate coil with water until no bubble surface. Here show you all clean part of FCU. Now take holding bracket of fan coil unit, fix back the motor and put some lubricate oil inside rubber bush because of blower run smoothly. And fix back the blower to motor, tighten with the screw. Check the blower run smoothly. Check water dry from the evaporate coil and fix back the clean evaporate coil to bracket and tighten all coil screw. After that fix back the drain pan to evaporate coil. After take electrical panel clean with brush, because sometime dust heavy became short circuit. After install it on FCU and join back the wire and thermistor and check all the wiring connection. After check everything okay, fan coil unit can install on the wall and tighten back the suction and discharge pipe flaring nut with 2 number of spanner, 1 by 1 tighten hard, because to avoid gas leaking. After that connect back power supply to fan coil unit. Important point, before test run unit must do proper vacuum the system test run. Thank you.